It's the moment we've all been waiting for. The long-awaited release of the totally redesigned Toyota Camry. Fans all across the world are waiting with bated breath for Toyota to unveil its newest masterpiece. The room goes silent as the covers are raised carefully. The new sleek Camry appears out of nowhere, and everyone is taken aback by its astounding good looks and high-tech amenities. How excited are you? Well, you're watching Tech Addicts, and we bring you all the details of the all-new Camry. To touch the perfection, Toyota raises the bar once again with the completely redesigned Toyota Camry. Both the current generation of the Toyota RAV4 and the Toyota Camry have been available for purchase since 2018, respectively. In spite of the fact that crossover vehicles are currently carving off a portion of the market share that was traditionally held by sedans, sales of the RAV4 are not showing any signs of slowing down. On the other side, the Camry is one of the few family sedans that are still available on the market. Many of Toyota's competitors, most notably Ford, have abandoned their classic four-door variants. This provides Toyota with very little motivation to upgrade either vehicle. Nonetheless, it has been rumored that both vehicles are expected to receive an update in the latter half of 2024 for the 2025 model year. This information was obtained from Australia's Drive. According to the latter, both models will be constructed using updated variants of the TNGA-K modular platforms that they currently use. In the United States of America, the best-selling non-pickup vehicle is the Toyota RAV4. There are waiting lists that are over a year long in certain parts of the country for certain models, such as the RAV4 Prime PHEV. In addition, the Fast Lane Automobile reports that it is quite likely that the RAV4 will completely do away with its 2.5-liter gasoline-only drivetrain and transition into a hybrid-only vehicle. If these speculations turn out to be accurate, it could be in your best interest to hold off for just a few more months until the next generation version makes its debut. According to the claim by Drive, the new Camry's production is scheduled to begin in April 2024. When that time comes, the Camry will have been on the market for 7 years, which is an eon for a vehicle that was once the best-selling car in the United States. When it was at the height of its popularity, before the crossover apocalypse, new generations were born in as little as 4 years. Drive also believes that Toyota will most likely not drop the gasoline-only Camry in favor of an all-hybrid portfolio in the near future, because hybrid vehicles are still a popular choice in the United States. In any event, it would appear that Toyota is committed to maintaining the availability of a genuine midsize sedan, which is excellent news for those individuals who prefer a vehicle that does not have the compromised handling characteristics of a crossover. It would appear that it will be at least another generation before Toyota is able to deliver fully electric versions of these market leaders in their respective bread-and-butter categories. The sale of hybrid vehicles continues to be profitable, and plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, in particular, also known as PHEVs, offer consumers the best of both worlds when it comes to charging infrastructure. Well, why is this model the best? And why should you go for it? As the new 2023 Toyota Camry models become more popular, let's take a closer look at the factors contributing to the Camry's enduring appeal. Compact car market. After the Corolla's phenomenal success in the United States, almost 15 years later, Toyota released the Camry as its second world car, or a vehicle designed to be sold in a variety of different countries with just minor adjustments. Toyota's goal in designing the Camry was the same as that which guided the creation of the Corolla: to create a family car that met the demands of the public and was affordable to a wide demographic. There was an immediate market for the Camry, and it continues to this day to be one of the most popular JDM cars in America. The Camry, now in its 8th generation, is Toyota's midsize sedan, positioned above the Corolla. Now that the 2023 Toyota Camry is hitting the streets, it's a good time to look at why this car keeps selling so well in the United States. First, the Toyota Camry is very reasonably priced. Japanese automobiles are popular for numerous reasons, but their low prices consistently rank among the top 3. There is a large gap between the sales of Japanese and European automobiles, but the former is mostly attributable to the former's higher value for the money. One of the most reasonably priced brand new cars is the 2023 Toyota Camry, with a base price of just $27,315. You can get a Camry at a reasonable price, and it will not sacrifice any of its class, cargo space, or top-end acceleration capabilities. The Toyota Camry is a trustworthy vehicle, as stated in our next reason. Toyota promises nothing less than unfailing dependability. Camrys, like other Toyotas, have a well-deserved reputation for being bulletproof automobiles. Several older Camrys are still on the road now, with few, if any, of the problems they had when they were new. Similarly, the 2023 Camry is unremarkable. The 2023 Toyota Camry receives 84 out of 100 on the quality and reliability scale from J.D. Power, and because of this, it is considered to be a top-tier 2023 vehicle. To a certain extent, the Toyota Camry can move quickly. Toyota didn't prioritize performance and speed when designing the Camry. Yet as times changed and rivalry from cars like the Honda Accord increased, Toyota decided it would be smart to create a performance variant of the Camry, therefore the Camry TRD was born. The Camry TRD boasts a 3.5-liter V6 engine that produces 301 horsepower and has been given a number of exterior upgrades to give it a sportier appearance. The Camry TRD is one of the best Japanese sleeper cars on the market today. Why the Toyota Camry makes sense. Toyota markets the Camry primarily to families, thus the company makes an effort to make the vehicle as accommodating as possible to their needs. The inside of the 2023 Camry, whether you go for the luxurious XLE or the more modest SE, is roomy and pleasant. Since it is a large sedan, the Camry also has a huge boot and, with the back seats folded down, a large passenger compartment. Toyota relocated the hybrid battery from the boot to beneath the rear seat, allowing for a large boot in both the regular and hybrid models. The Toyota Camry has a respectable fuel economy. If you're looking for fuel-efficient automobiles that aren't fuel-efficient, go no further than Toyota. That point is perfectly illustrated by the Camry. Most base Camrys achieve an above-average 32 miles per gallon combined. If you still want something more eco-friendly, the 2023 Toyota Camry Hybrid offers an insane 52 miles per gallon. When it comes to routine maintenance, the Toyota Camry ranks high. Although the Camry's dependability has already been established, any malfunction should be easily remedied. To begin with, Toyota has an attractive warranty that includes 2 years of free maintenance. Parts are widely available and you can find a competent mechanic just about anywhere to work on your Camry. Repair Pal estimates the annual cost of maintaining a Camry to be $388, which is well within most people's budgets. The Toyota Camry is available in a wide range of model years. Toyota has produced 8 iterations of the Camry since the 1980s, selling millions of units. As long as you keep up with regular maintenance, your Camry will serve you well for hundreds of thousands of additional kilometers. This means that you can pick from a wide range of Camry years and generations. The Camry is a solid option whether you are shopping for a cheap car in 2023 or a well-made, long-lasting Japanese classic. In terms of safety, the Toyota Camry excels. With families as its primary audience, Toyota places a premium on making the Camry as safe as possible. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration awarded the 2023 Toyota Camry the maximum possible grade of 5 stars for safety. Forward collision warning, automated emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control are just some of the main standard safety features of the newest Camry. The Toyota Camry has an appealing appearance. In terms of exterior design, the 2023 Toyota Camry may not be able to compete with the most recent offerings from Mercedes-Benz and BMW, but it is still a very attractive automobile. We are quite impressed with the overall proportions, clean lines, and the way that everything appears to have been well considered. The Nightshade look package is one of our favorites, and it's available as an add-on. This package delivers the 2023 Camry cosmetic enhancements such as black trimmed headlights and taillights, a black grille with a mesh pattern that is similar to the one found on the Camry TRD, and an exquisite bronze 19-inch set of wheels. Some of the most advanced technology can be found on the Toyota Camry. The Camry has always provided a greater number of cutting-edge innovations than you may anticipate finding in a car in its price range, and the most recent versions are not any different in this regard. We have already discussed the sophisticated driver assistance technologies that are included as standard equipment in the Camry 2023. These technologies include lane keeping assist and front collision warning. The Camry also features a posh cabin that is equipped with an upmarket touchscreen and buttons that are conveniently located to manage a variety of functions. Customers who choose to purchase the cold weather package for the 2023 Toyota Camry have the option of getting a heated steering wheel, heated seats, and heated side mirrors. Well, today, tomorrow, Toyota. That's all for the video today. We'll be right back soon. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.